Welcome to Healthy Wealthy Academy. Learn how to be healthy, wealthy, and get happiness with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. How to select a great topic. It couldn't be easier to select a topic for an ebook. People are hungry for information, and people are looking to the internet to feed their hunger. After you've read this chapter, you will feel confident enough to choose your own topic, or you can literally pull your ebook topic directly from this ebook and use it. How's that for a deal? Observe what's going on around you. If you're smart enough to read this book, you're smart enough to look around you and determine what interests you and those around you. Think of what problems you've recently solved, and what kinds of problems others have had and solved. Any problem that has been solved in your world could easily be the subject of your next book. People love to read how others have solved a problem that they currently have. So, brainstorm a list of problems in your life and in the lives of those around you. Your friend Bob lost his job? How did they cope or find solutions? While you're at it, start another list of unsolved problems evident in your corner of the world. Write down problems you wish you had solved. Aha! These are subjects that people will really be interested in. How to lose the last 10 pounds. The truth about UFOs. The straightest path to becoming a millionaire. From your personal corner, your step-granddaughter is pregnant at age 14? Your grocery bill is double what it used to be. Your roof leaks? These are problems waiting for ebook solutions. These unsolved problems would also be great ebook topics. Remember, you don't have to know the solution, just the topic. You're going to create your own ebook. To get someone else to do the research and write the book for you. You will not actually be writing one word. Spend a few minutes Googling. The internet is a great way to find out what people are looking for at any given moment. You can search for almost anything. Click link below to learn more. Learn more at uni24x7.com. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net